Hi friends, this is Lokesh Babu. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. And today, I'm going to explain about uh, system of linear equations. This is a topic in engineering mathematics. From this we can find the rank of the matrix. So it's very important, right? Let's start the class. System of linear equations. Say, linear equation means the equation which contains the power order is 1, that is the linear equation. Now we want system of linear equation. See, let a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to some d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to some d2, and a3x plus b3 a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d1, d2, d3, right? This is a system of equations. This is a system of linear equations. Now from this system of linear equations we can find a matrix A and we can find the rank of the matrix, and after this we can find the solution of the matrix. So I will tell you in a simple way. So we can find the solution of a system of linear equations by using echelon form. That is our concept. We are going to find the solution of system of linear equation by using echelon form. Now let us see. From this I can write A equal to A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 and C3. This is coefficient matrix. And let x equal to x, y, z. This is the variable matrix, and some b equal to d1, d2, d3. This is the constant matrix, right? Now I can write this is ax equal to b. So I can write this like ax equal to b. So ax equal to b is equation 1. This is the system of linear equations, right? This is system and this is also a system of linear equations. Now from this I can write augmented matrix. Augmented matrix, that is nothing but A oblique B. This is the augmented matrix. From this you can apply the row operations in a simple way. I am explaining. Use the row operations and bring into echelon form. What is echelon form? Nothing but upper triangular matrix. So bring this matrix into upper triangular matrix. Then find the rank of the matrix. Rank is then number of non-zero rows. So how to find the echelon form? Already we discussed in the previous classes, previous videos. Please check my previous videos, right? So rank is nothing but here rank is the number of non-zero rows, right? Now after finding the rank, if ax equal from ax equal to b, after finding the rank, there are two cases are there. So one is consistent and one more is inconsistent. Inconsistent. See, please try to understand, very important. Consistent, it means, so here augmented matrix is there, no? So up to here this is A matrix and this is AB matrix. So here you can find rank of A and rank of AB also, right? Up to here rank of A, and if you combine this is rank of AB. Inconsistent, if rank of A is equal to rank of AB, then we can say that is consistent. If rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, then it is called inconsistent. If it is consistent, then it has a solution. If it is consistent, it has a solution. If it is inconsistent, then it has no solution. It has no solution. If in the problem If it is inconsistent, rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, then simply you can say no solution. But if it is consistent, again there are two cases. Already, if Ax equal to B, consistent, inconsistent. If it is consistent, it has solution. If it is inconsistent, no solution. If it is consistent, and again you should find rank of A is equal to rank, we can show by this symbol rho, rank of A equal to rank of AB. If it is rank of A equal rank of AB and equal to n, n means number of unknowns, means number of variables. If it is xyz, these xyz are the number of variables. Rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is equal to n, then it has the system Ax equal to B has unique solution. It has unique solution, right? Okay. In case if rank of A is equal to rank of AB, but it is less than number of variables, then you will get infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solutions, right? Then you will get the infinite number of solutions, right? Now let us take one problem, and we should find the rank of the matrix. After finding the rank, find the rank of A and rank of AB and check whether it is consistent or inconsistent. If it is inconsistent, then no solution. If it is consistent, again check rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is equal to n, then you will get unique solution. And if it is rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is less than n, then we can get the infinite number of solutions, right? So once again, let Ax A1x plus B1y C1z is equal to D1. This is the system of linear equations, and then take augmented matrix from this, okay, and find the rank of the matrix and check this, okay. So this is the about system of linear equations. So in the next video we will solve some more problems on this consistent, inconsistent, okay. Thank you.